Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create this beautiful yellow polka dot French tip nails step by step. Let's get started. Firstly, apply a thin layer of base coat to protect your natural nails. Next, apply an even coat of nude pink gel polish on all nails. Now, cure the nails under a UV or LED lamp for like 60 seconds. After that, using a yellow gel polish, carefully paint French tips on each nail. Then, take a tool and white gel polish to make cute dots on the yellow tips. Once the design is complete, cure the nails again under the lamp for 60 seconds. Apply a thin layer of top coat to seal the design and add a beautiful glossy shine. Final step. Cure one last time under the UV or LED lamp, and that's it. Your gorgeous yellow polka dot front tips nails are ready. If you enjoyed this beginner nail tutorial, don't forget to like it, subscribe. Thank you.